Hello friends, in this video I will tell you the Infosys selection process. I have gone through the Infosys selection process in 2020. That's why I know that how the process is. I am telling my genuine opinion in this process, and I also got the offer letter from the Infosys. So let's say the contents are the questions that you can get the answer of these questions, which are the poster at the Infosys and how much package of that poster, how you can apply for it and what to prepare, how are the rounds and it is difficult or not. You will get the answer of these all these questions. So let's see the poster. There are two poster. One is system engineer and another one is power programming. All BTech students are generally apply for the system engineers whose package is 3.6 lakh, and for the power programming package is up to 8 lakh. I have selected for the Infosys as the system engineer first in 2020. Okay, for the system engineer first process is that there are two rounds. One is aptitude and English, and second is technical round, technical interview. So, in the aptitude and English, that is the first round. Please notice that there is no any programming in the first round. Only the basic of aptitude and the English questions (MCQs) are there. And second round is technical plus HR interview. Only one interview and only one person is taken the interview. Remember some points. Both rounds were not on the same day, and if you clear the first round then only you are eligible for the second round. All branches can apply for it, means mechanical, automobile, civil and others IT branches also apply for Infosys selection process, and it is a full campus trial. So what is the procedure to register? You have to register the link provided by your TPO, or you have to search on the Google for the register link. You get the mail from the Infosys after register regarding the dates, time and location of the first round. You have to go through the first round, that is the aptitude and English round, and you have to clear that round. If you clear that round, you got the second mail regarding the selected of the second round. And the second round is the interview round, and if you clear the second round, then you got the direct offer letter from the Infosys. So I have gone through the both the rounds and I have selected and I got the offer letter last year, and I will tell you my genuine opinion of the first round. First round is very easy because there is a just aptitude and English question. The aptitude consists of the basic topics like percentage, average, LCM, HCF, sitting arrangement, probability, ratios, time and work, time and distance, NCR, PCR, profit loss, geometry, etc. These are the basic topics on which the MCQs are come, and there is a English section is there, which contains paragraph and the questions based on that paragraph, and there is some grammar based questions. If you prepare these topics and English, then you are definitely selected for the second round. Now, how's the second round? uh, After clearing the first round, you got the mail that you are selected for the second round. After a few days, you got the mail about regarding the date, time and location of your interview. You have to go through the interview round. It is only one interview, technical and HR mixed interview taken by the only one person. Okay, in the second round, what are the questions are asked? Generally, questions are based on your resume. Questions are based on the C language and C++ language and the projects you have done in your college. Uh, Trust me, there is no other questions are coming from other topics like from Java. If you are from the mechanical branch or any other branch, then only these topics you have to prepare only these topics. IT, computer, electronics, electrical branch, they are generally have the C and C++ language, so they don't have any problem in the interview. My genuine opinion about the selection process. Okay, it is not that much difficult that you think, and it is easy to crack both rounds. Aptitude round contains the basic questions, and you are easily solve these questions if you prepare for sometimes. Do not afraid for the interview. Prepare intro well. You have to prepare your intro well. The first question asked about the intro, and you have to prepare that well. It creates the good impression in front of the interviewer. If you're not able to answer the question, you don't have to say anything about that. You have to say just not sure about that. Follow some etiquettes during the interview and believe on yourself. These are my tips for you for the selection process. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my work, then subscribe and like. And if you have any questions, comment on it. And if you want to ask any questions, then you can ask me in comment box. Thank you.